All right, now what's going on, YouTube? Man, this company I'm working for got me sitting. I've been sitting for a whole week. They say February is one of the slowest months for truck drivers. So that's why I'm glad I got some savings, so I have some money for food and stuff while I'm out here over this road. Uh, yeah, man, I've been sitting since last Thursday. I've been sitting since last Wednesday or Thursday. So I've been sitting for about 7 days, about 7 to 8 days now. They say they're gonna still pay me, well, so I don't really know for sure they're gonna pay me or not until next week. You can say one thing and do something else, so I gotta wait till next week and see if I'm gonna get paid for this week of not doing anything, pretty much. I don't mind sitting. It gets bored. So I go outside and go to the movies, go check out, do different things. But when you're sitting, you ain't making no money, really. But they said they're gonna pay me. But I don't know if they're gonna pay me what I'm supposed to be getting, $200-300 a day, or they're gonna pay me $100. So hopefully I get at least $200 a day for the days that I've been off, because they ain't got no loads to give me. And I work for a major company too. It ain't one of them hole in the wall companies. I work for a major company. I work for a major company, but I'm gonna keep on investing in cryptocurrency for right now, and I pray that everything goes well with that, and we make it out on top, in a few years. You know what I'm saying? Because I truly believe that the world is going to have one currency, or it's going to have multiple currencies, but they're going to all be connected. Cryptocurrency is the way to go. I believe that. And I do believe it's just a way to create more millionaires in the world, throughout the world, in different countries. Not just United States, but in Venezuela, in Puerto Rico, in Grenada, in South Africa, in Madagascar, India, China, wherever they at in the world, man. It's gonna make multiple millionaires and new millionaires and new billionaires in the world. I believe VeChain and XRP probably, is gonna help us get there. You know what I'm saying? So I want to do this. I want to worry about waiting on a load for a whole week so I can make me some money sitting in a truck, away from home. Even if I was doing local, I have to be working for 12-14 hours a day, driving trucks, backing up to docks, delivering loads in front of the store, live loads. Got to load a whole trailer by myself, breaking your back in, getting injured. If I was doing that, I'd rather, do it for a couple years, stacking my bread up and have an early retirement, But one thing I do know, though, is that humans need to work. They don't gotta work at a job, though. They can work on a farm, raising farm animals, things like that, going hunting, fishing. But humans are designed to work. We aren't designed to just sit on our behinds all day, not doing anything. So we are designed to work. But I'd rather work because I want to, not because I have to. Not because I have to work to pay bills. I'd rather work because I enjoy what I do, not just because I work to pay bills just to get money. So all right, I'm gonna let y'all go. Just bring it out there, let y'all know that every week in truck driving isn't the same. Sometimes you might have a good week, sometimes you might have no loads for a whole week or two. You know what I'm saying? But the company that you work for is supposed to pay you. You know what I'm saying? You need money for food, water, things like that, recreational activities. The company that you work for should still pay you for the time you're out there over the road. So we'll see next week if I'm getting paid. I pray that I am. Like I said, I work for a major company that say they're gonna pay me, so we'll see. I've been sitting for about a week now. Luckily I'm at a truck stop. At least I can take a shower. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Have a good morning, good afternoon, a good night. Have a good day. Have a blessed day, and God bless. And peace. Holler at y'all later.